On behalf of National Institute of Nutrition, I am very delighted to welcome you all to the 4th Agriculture, Nutrition and Health Academy Week.
Now, one of the fun things about the A&H Academy Week that you don't see in many other conferences and meetings is the learning labs. And we have a great 2 days of learning labs.
Of poster presenters. And those of you who've been here before know we have this notorious part of our program where every poster presenter gets a minute to present their poster and to entice you to visit them during the poster session, which will be later this afternoon.
Agriculture food systems as the main source of food, employment and income must and should be a central part against this fight against malnutrition and human and planetary health risks.
What we need to do really is to increase both the food quantity as well as food quality to feed about 9 billion people by 2050.
Sometimes as researchers we don't want to engage with policy, we just want to do our own research. But when we choose to do it, that we can be mindful about it.
The first conversation I want to have is to share some of the experiences and learnings that we have had as a ward over the last decade plus, working on increasing the diversity of researchers.
These are open public records that people can go on and see what research is going on and who's working on the different fields.
This conference is so special because it's actually addressing an important issue of nutrition.
Different countries and continents come together and share ideas. So this gives a perfect opportunity to see research gaps that you can explore in your own area back in your own country.
It was a very nice opportunity to talk about our research and what will be our next steps and how we can move our agenda forward.
I guess I particularly appreciate the need for sort of conversations between different disciplines and for people to speak the same language in some sense and to share the same kind of methodology and appreciation of cultural context.
It's quite interesting to see a number of young researchers here in this academy and in this conference and all that. I am looking back to my old days when I was young, about 30 years, 35 years.
For me to be at a meeting where everybody is thinking and talking about the links between agriculture, nutrition and health, it's like a dream come true.
I think this has been another really impressive and rich meeting. Thank you to all of you for your kind of commitment and your engagement, for staying through a long week and a very intense week, but a very productive week. You're all great nutrition Ghostbusters. Thank you for coming, and we'll see you next year.